Hello guys and welcome to this completely new series Power BI for beginners. In this series we will explore all of the functionalities of Power BI and all of the essentials. Also we will record videos on advanced topics, but that will not be a part of this series. We will add links of those advanced videos with each topic in the comment or in the cards at top right section of this video, so you don't miss anything. You get an overview. If you want to go into details of any topic, you can get those details as well. In this video, we will see what Power BI is, what it is capable of, and how to begin your journey with it. So what exactly is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence tool aimed at providing analytical insights through data visualization. Regardless of size of your business, Power BI is a potential tool that can enhance your decision-making process by making data more understandable or actionable. One reason of popularity of Power BI is it can extract data from variety of data sources, including but not limited to Excel, cloud-based services, SQL Service databases, and third-party APIs. This broad range allows you to pull in and analyze data from multiple facets of your business, refining and transforming raw dataset. Often raw dataset can be unstructured, filled with unnecessary information, or inconsistent. With Power BI inbuilt data cleaning tools, you can refine this data, you can eliminate irrelevant details, you can correct inconsistencies, remove outliers, and transform this raw data into a more useful, digestible format for analysis. Some other tools like Google Data Studio don't provide this much functionality with respect to data cleaning and formatting. Power BI enables you to create highly interactive and compelling dashboards and reports. These tools offer a dynamic way to visualize your data, enabling users to drill down into charts and graphs for more specific details. This interactive approach allows for more comprehensive, in-depth data analysis. After creating these reports and dashboards, Power BI also provides features to share them seamlessly, whether it's with your team, stakeholders, or the entire organization. You can distribute these data visualizations for more informed, collaborative decision making. Your first steps with Power BI. Initiating your Power BI journey can be as simple as downloading the Power BI desktop application at no cost. That application is free to use. Just download that app and start using it. You can begin connecting to your data sources and start crafting your own reports and dashboards. We will download the Power BI in next video, and after that we will start working on it. We want to ensure you have a comprehensive understanding of all the concepts related to Power BI. To support this, we are supplementing each topic with detailed videos which can be found in comments and at top right corner of this video. By the end of 2023, you will be well equipped with the knowledge you need to make the most of Power BI. To stay updated on this exciting journey, please subscribe to our channel. This way you wouldn't miss any new content or tutorials that we upload. With each video, we aim to empower you further in mastering Power BI. Happy learning!